Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers and will continue to do so in the future. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.